Friends, we'll discuss these kind of problems, and the problems are given like this. If a is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta, and b is equal to x sin theta minus y cos theta, then x square plus y square is equal to what? So in the previous classes we have discussed trigonometric ratios, trigonometric ratio values for particular angles: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees, and we have done some problem based on those angles, based on those values of the angles. So we tried some easy techniques to solve the problems in the earlier video. Now we are trying to solve these kind of problems, which is given in terms of an equation, and the problem will be asked of this problem will be asked to find value of x square plus y square and x square minus y square, this kind of things. So in order to do these problems, in the earlier class we have discussed that whenever this kind of things are given, try to go and substitute an angle in place of theta, so that it will solve our purpose. So here what I take is, as it is given in terms of sin theta and cos theta, what I'll go for is, I'll go for theta is equal to 0 degrees. I said when it is given in terms of sin theta and cos theta, just go for theta is equal to either 0 degrees or 90 degrees. So then what will happen to a? So what will happen to a? So a will become like this, friends. So a is nothing but x into what is cos theta? Cos 0 is nothing but 1 minus y into what is sin 0, that is nothing but 0. So a will become x into 1 is nothing but x. So a will become x. So try to solve b, friends. B will become b is like this. B is nothing but x into what is the angle for sin 0, and y is nothing but y, and cos 0 is nothing but 1. So b will become minus y. So it is asked like this, x square minus, so from this you can write like this is minus y, so from this you can write y is, let us say this is y is equal to minus b. So it is asked to find out x square plus y square. So x is nothing but a square, friends, so y is nothing but b square. So if minus b square, it will become, even if it is square, it will become plus. Minus, even if you square, then it will become plus. So in the same way, try to find out the values of x is equal to a cosecant plus cot theta, y is equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta. So as I said, if you go for 0 degrees, cosecant 0 will become infinity. You can't go for that value. If you go for 90 cot, then it will become cot, cosecant 90 will become 1, and cot 90 will become, what happens to cot 90? It is 0. So try to go for cosecant in terms of theta is equal to 90. Then this will become x is equal to a into cosecant 90 is nothing but 1, friends, and cot 90 is nothing but 0. So this is nothing but a into 1 plus 0 is nothing but a. So x is equal to a. And then what happens, friends? So here it is nothing but b. Y is equal to. So what happens to y? So y is equal to, in the same way, b cosecant is nothing but 1, and this is nothing but 0. So this will become y is equal to b, friends. So we got x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a and y is equal to b. So try to go for the option, try to substitute in the first option. So what happens to the first option? It will become a by a, that is nothing but y by x is nothing but a. So a is nothing but a, y is nothing but b, then this is nothing but b, that is nothing but this is divided by, if it divides, it will become 1, it will become 1, total value become 2. But this is not our answer. This will not, you never get 0. In the same way, it is, you never get 0. And even for the last thing, you won't get 0. So the remaining only thing is third option, friends. So you'll be getting the answer as xy is equal to ab. Because see, when you are adding both the values, you are getting the answer as 2, more than 2, more than 1 actually. So here it is only 0. If you square, it should be more than 1. You are getting 0. Here it is 1. So answer is xy is equal to ab. Then go to the next problem, friends. What is given in the next problem? Yeah, it is given as x is equal to a secant cos pi, and y is equal to b secant sin pi. Then what is the value of x square by a square plus y square by b square minus z square by c square? So it is given in terms of secant and cos, friends. Secant and cos and tan. So if you go for 0, then secant will become 1 and cos will become 1, and secant will become 1, sin will become 0, tan will become 0. So try to go for tan is equal to 0. Sorry, theta is equal to 0. And also pi is equal to 0. So now what will happen to x? X is nothing but a into, what is secant 0, friends? It is nothing but 1. Then what is cos pi, friends? This is again 1, 0, because pi, in place of pi we are writing 0. Cos 0 is nothing but 1. So x is equal to a. Then what happens to y? So y is nothing but b is nothing but secant theta. Secant 0 is nothing but 1, friends. Sin 0 is nothing but 0. So this is 0. Then what happens to z? This is nothing but c into 0. So the answer is 0. Now you substitute here, what happens, you see. So in place of x square, x we will substitute a, so it will become a square by a square. In place of y we will substitute 0, 0 by b square, this is nothing but 0, 0 by c square. So what you are left with, a square by, sorry, this is a square by a square, same thing. So if you cancel, you will be getting the answer as 1. This is how you solve the problem, friends. Then go through the next problem. So what is given here? X cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to 2, and x sin theta plus y cos theta is equal to 2. So if you want to solve this kind of problems, as I said, when it is given in terms of sin and cos, directly go for theta is equal to 0 degrees. So it will become cos 0 is nothing but 1, minus y into sin 0 is nothing but 0, this is nothing but 2. So x into 1 is nothing but x, so x will become 2. And second equation, friends, this is given as x sin theta. The x sin theta is nothing but x sin 0 is nothing but 0, and y cos 0 is nothing but 1, that is nothing but 4. So this is nothing but this is total 0, and y into 1 is nothing but y is nothing but 4. So friends, try to substitute in each and every option so that it will solve our it will give our answer. So try to go for the first option. What is given in the first option? X square plus y square. So I am trying to put these values in the options. So in the first option it is given x square means 2 square and y square means 4 square. So this is nothing but 4 plus 16. So the answer is 20. So first option is our answer, friends. This is how we need to solve the problem. Then go to the next thing. If any problem is available, we will solve. Yeah, the problem is given like this. X is nothing but 5 cosecant theta, and this is nothing but sin theta. See friends, in the first class we have learned when sin theta and cosecant theta, we know that by looking at these things only we can say that sin theta into cosecant theta is nothing but 1. This is always 1. So from the given equations you pick the values. So you try to find the value of cosecant theta, that is nothing but x by 5 is nothing but cosecant theta from this given equation. And from here you can find the value y by 3 is nothing but sin theta. So in place of cosecant theta, what I will do is I will substitute x by y, and in place of sin theta, what I will do is I will substitute y by 3, that is nothing but 1. So multiply the numerators and multiply the denominator, what will happen, you see. So x by y is nothing, x into y is nothing but xy, and 5 into 3 is nothing but 15 is equal to 1. So if you simplify this, xy is equal to 15 will be our answer, friends. If this is available, that is our answer. If it is not available, none of this will be our answer. So is it available? Yes, friends. Third option is our answer. This is how we will be solving the problems, friends. These are the very simple techniques to solve the problems, and I hope you like these problems. And if you like, please subscribe vFocus in YouTube. And if you want to get good marks in the exam, go through all the videos which are given in this channel, which are provided in this channel, and inform your friends, like the channel, and share in social networking sites like Facebook and Gmail, and inform your friends about these classes, and have a nice day. Thank you very much.